This is Sunday the 22nd of September 2024 from the Irish Dance Local there. We're with Lucy Pimpernel.
Hello, Lucy. Hello, Lucy. You're at the gate there. I'll go in for a little hello. Go in for a little hello, Lucy. Go in for a lovely hello there. Hey, you're going off now, are you? Oh, thanks, charming. I go in for a lovely hello there. Did you get him at the gate when you introduced him?
Yeah.
Oh, Jane. Oh, charming. I go in for a nice long interaction there. Where's his brother? His brother?
Three back.
I've known these horses 7 years. What? I believe it, mate. 7 years ago.
Yeah.
Huh?
Where's his there, you see? You see him? Out to your left. There.
But these glasses are magic. Horse come out very sharp in these glasses. What?
Yeah.
Come out very sharp. Oh,
Yeah.
it did come out very sharp. And as you see, he's not wearing a head colour again. He's not wearing any colour. He's not wearing a head colour again. They don't need to put him in a head colour. You see him into left not so much. Don't get the pants run. Come out. It's nice to be able to go out and see Paul Bassini because I don't get to see him in the stable. I do miss him in the stable, you know. Paul's probably better saying hello in the stable than he is in the paddock. He's more sociable in the stable than he is out here. He seems to prefer to eat grass and to socialise with people. He's more sociable in the stable than he is outdoors. He may look around and stuff, well, browse around, but he never really come over that much. I get more look at doing the stable. For some reason, he comes to the door quite a lot at the stable because when he comes to say hello to outside, and I get a rare hello, very rare, mild hello, not completely moon. So I get more look at the stable, right then.
Yeah.
I get more look at them at the stable than I get outside. So that's one reason why I miss them in the stables, because the lovely interactions we have. We always have great chats in the stable. And I miss those lovely chats. And I'm looking back at the old classic chats of us at the stables at the moment, and back in the day, 2018, and we've got great chats in the stable. Me and Pam. He's in where my old friend used to be Dragon. This was Dragon's paddock. This is where Dragon used to be. Sorry.
All right. She's a bit upset. Yeah, I know.
No, we never got to see Dragon this year. It was gone well before the off season even started. We never saw him. The last we saw Dragon was last year. There's never even noticed or no indication, nobody even mentioned it. There's only no even mention of him going. Or even leaving the stud. Nothing. No mention of him leaving the stud at all. We came to the stud of the off season, and there was some students or some talk at the stable, and the he was talking about dragon or something. He happened to mention dragon or something, and dragon thing came up, and I said the dragon doesn't go into the stable anymore. And then he said, oh, he's not no. He said, what? He's gone. He's gone. And I thought, oh, what do you mean gone? He's gone. He left the stone. Oh, that's the first I heard. You know, I didn't know, and he's gone. When did he go? Oh, he's gone. Like, he's gone. Like, since before the off season started. He's gone. Well, beginning of the year, he's gone. Like, he's gone weeks ago. You know. Gone. Like, I never got a chance to see him. But that's what I saw him last year. This was his paddock. We're getting different stories, but also saying he's gone to Poland, and Sue was saying he's gone to Poland. I was in touch with the new owner for a while, messenger and email and stuff, and fax and stuff. He sent a few messages and a few photographs and give me a few updates on how he was getting on, saying he was doing well, he was settling in. I sent a photograph of himself and Dragon as well, the two of them together with the stud. He seemed happy and he was getting on very well with the mares, and he seemed to have an eye on some of the mares. He's kind of like joking, like an eye on some of the mares. He have an eye on some of the mares. He's kind of joking in that kind of way, well, a couple of them have a nice long contact and regular contact association, but apparently stopped contacting me and stopped sending me messages, and so I sent him another few messages recently, but I didn't get a reply back. And I sent him a message for his birthday, I didn't get a reply back either. So I sent a birthday message for Dragon with a cars emoji. A cars emoji, and it was his birthday, and I got no message back. It was his birthday on the 23rd of March. I sent him a birthday message, cars emoji. I was thinking of him on his birthday. He's initially, once you found out he was initially, it wasn't in Paris, he was in Poland, he was initially. Initially. I do miss him. This was his paddock here where Palace. I used to see where I fed Ward that was. I don't know if I like Ward that, he's not for years past. I still have my up and down days about Ward Tat. I do still think about him. So I'm watching Ward Tat at the moment, surprisingly, and it surprised me. For some reason I'm calm watching him. I haven't been teary at all. And National as well as individuals, and for some reason I'm not getting teary either. And he's only 2 years past this year. 2 years past on the 15th of this month. Seem to be calm enough watching him. And, you know, for some reason it's only 2 years passed away. I think that's September. For some reason I seem to be calm watching National, which is quite surprising. Which isn't that long, come to think of it. National was in this paddock behind here, this paddock for a short period, and then he moved over to the other side, to Vincible's side. He moved over to where Ekiano is, Ekiano's paddock, where he is now. That paddock, but they have Ekiano now, beside Phoenix Estate. That was the last paddock where he was back in 2021. And that's the last time you saw him alive in Ireland. The last time we saw him alive was 2021, and the last time he was here in the stud. That's the last time he was here in Ireland. He was due to come back last year. He was promising for his return to come back here last year, but things took a turn for the worst and he passed away. So it wasn't promising, he wasn't positive, because he was recovering, and then suddenly took a turn for the worse. I don't know what exactly. Still don't know to this day. Still don't know. Still 2 years. Still don't know exactly what was the cause of his death. But I think it was the injury that had something to do with it. He got kicked in the testicles during the covering duty. The 2021 season in Australia started the season of 2021 in the leg of the Australian leg of his breeding stage of his
Career.
his duties in Australia. The second half of the year in Australia, the 2021 started. He was going to cover, and then he got kicked, and then he had to take a year off to recover. That was the 2022. This is the year of 2022. We figured that the whole year 2022 off to recover. And things were looking well. He was recovering and he looked positive. And I was in touch with Wooden. And he was in Sunstud for a while, and then Sunstud closed, and then he had to relocate to Widdenstow. That's where he was in the hospital of Widdenstow. So I was in touch with the people for a while, and we were in touch in email and stuff like that. And he sent me a few positive emails. Things were looking good and positive too. He's recovering, and they sent me the second one saying he seems positive. He's looking good for his return to the Irish national stud for next year. And then there's another third one was saying that sadly he passed away overnight. So he's a shock. He's only 8. That young would be 10, but he was alive today. So son of Invincible Spirits and mental defence. So it's quite an unusual name for a son of Invincible Spirits, if you ask me. And I don't even know where he came from, whether he came from France, but he raced in France. But I don't know whether he came from France, I'm not too sure. But he raced in France. I'm not too sure whether he raced here or not, but he only won 2 races. I'm not too sure whether he won any grade 1s, I'm not too sure. But he had to retire due to injury. I still don't know what the injury was. I'm not too sure what the injury was. He was very unlucky with the injuries. Quite unlucky with the injuries. Got kicked by a horse. He's going to start his first season in Australia, and he got kicked by a horse, and then he had to come back here to the Irish national stud. We saw him here at the end of July. We were over here this side, which was then called Galeforce 10, side of the paddock. Galeforce 10 was still here at the time. Galeforce was here at the time, and we were over here talking to Pal Vicini. Pal was over down that end, the far end. This was where his old paddock was, and we were talking to Galeforce, and Lee spotted a black tail of the other side, black tail or something, bay horse, black tail, and he assumed it was a national or something like that. And we went over Invincibles to investigate. When we looked around with Free Eagle, and I think he thought it was decoration night. There's a decorations at Chestnut.
There you go, look.
Again? Like it's a chestnut. No, it's not. It isn't the.
All right.
And I looked again, and there's a bay, and you see, it's a chestnut. No, it's not a chestnut. That's a bay, So it's actually. So I looked again, and I looked at it closely, and it's national. I thought, national, he's back, And then we told him, we're talking to Paul at the stables, and I said, I see that you brought National back, and he says he's been on holiday. It makes sense to me when he's on holiday. So I looked up on Sunstud, and apparently he said he's not coming to Australia this year, got injured. And then there's a documentary, they didn't actually say what the injury was in the letter. Then there was a documentary called A Bred to Win documentary. It was all about national defence. And the actual injury was he got kicked by a horse getting on the plane to go to Australia in his first year, 2018. So that's why he had to start in that year. So his first official season was 2019. So he started his first year 2019 in Australia. So I feel as if he hadn't come to Australia He probably will be still in today. So, anyway, I blame the stuff. For his passing. That's how I feel. So, if we hadn't gone to Australia, we would still here today. That's how I feel. So, I'm not too sure how Liam feels about that, but what do you think?
Hope so.
No, you're not even listening.
Sorry, go ahead. What was your...
You didn't even listen to a word I said, did you?
I was watching Palestine.
Did you get a word what I said there?
Talking about Invincible.
Talking about national.
National defence, yeah.
I said if they hadn't bought national to Australia, he could be still here today.
That's right, yeah. I agree with that. 100%. You're right there. Very sad, isn't it?
You didn't listen to a word I said, did you?
It did. It was, isn't it?
You weren't listening.
It was tragic.
You didn't get a word I said.
It was. I did.
Why say invincible there? You weren't even paying attention.
I shouldn't have said that.
You weren't paying attention at all, Liam.
Anyway, we're going to say hello to Lucy before we go to lunch.
You weren't paying attention at all, were you?
I was.
You never listen to anything I said, do you?
Of course I did.
What's the point talking to you? You never listen. What's the point?
We're talking to the camera as well, don't forget the viewers.
I was asking your opinion. I was asking, do you agree? I said, do you agree if they bought national, if they hadn't bought national to Australia, would he be still here today?
I agree with
I
that.
asked you the question.
I agree that he would be still here today if they hadn't brought him to Australia. He would be, yeah.
Do you blame the stud? Do you blame the stud for his passing?
I don't.
Do you blame the Irish national stud or not?
No. I blame the stud in Australia. It's their responsibility. He's walking away now. He's walking down the end of the field.
I blame the Irish national stud for being over there in the first place. They shouldn't have put him over there. If they hadn't put him over there, he wouldn't have got injured, Liam.
Yeah. True.
We would be more safer here.
Yeah.
I think I was looking forward to seeing him last year.
You were indeed.
I saw jumping up and down with joy, and they told me that he's coming back.
You were excited?
I was excited, yeah.
Yeah, I remember, yeah.
He's coming back next year. All of a sudden I get bad news, he's passed away. Couldn't believe I was hearing, I couldn't believe it.
Yeah.
I couldn't believe it, I read it.
Yeah. Awful news.
You don't be 10 if he was alive today.
I know.
It's only a baby, Liam. It's only a baby.
Yeah.
What's that in human years?
10:40. Young horse still. Yeah, I know. We go and see it before we go to lunch. Pause video? What? It's just there, okay. What? We don't have people in the shop. Or people, it could be.
Miles away.
Miles away, okay.
People are miles away. Jesus, I can barely see them. Where is he?
There.
Would you blame me for being
Hold
angry
on a
like
second.
this?
No, I don't. Here you go. Hold on a second.
What? Do you know?
Let's see. Where are you going?
Where is he?
There.
It's an engine, but not too close. Not too close. He's walking away now. What time is it?
It's now 5 to 3.
We're only filming an hour now, Liam. It's ridiculous.
We're filming.
We're only filming a fucking hour. This is crazy, Liam.
It's about the usual. We have only 16 minutes left in your battery, by the way. Right, we're running out of battery. We use so much battery, you know.
We're very late starting because you got the camera in the camera in the gents' toilet today. We usually start at 1:30.
Yeah.
We're nearly half an hour late starting.
Mm.
We usually film about an hour and a half. We usually get an hour and a half filming footage.
Yeah.
It's usually an hour and a half footage we usually do.
Yeah.
Not an hour. We usually do an hour and a half of footage. An hour and a half of footage.
Anyway, we're running out of battery.
Let's see if we can try to get the leggings on the way down.
No, I'm not coming back to the Edens. Going to lunch.
This was wartime father.
Yeah, I remember him being in this park, yeah.
Do you remember which bar it was that he broke?
The one at the end there. 3rd row. Yeah. Yeah, one of them. I think it was second to the bottom, wasn't it?
Yeah. Probably just in here.
Yeah.
Yeah. There, that one there.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the one you broke. Yeah. That's the one you broke. When he's trying to break out of the sun, I think. I never forget that. That was hilarious.
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
I can't believe I'm watching that back there. That's long ago. Hilarious. Probably the most funniest
Incident.
yeah. Probably the most funniest video ever. Yeah. This just kept biting at it and nothing came down. It's hilarious. It's the most funniest interaction with water that I ever had. He tried to break out the studs. He tried to break out of your paddock, you know. And he looked like big look of guilt on his face. What have I done? Yeah.
Okay, go on.
What?
Say goodbye.
The biggest guilt. Big guilt look on his face.
I remember, yeah.
What have I done? What have I
Confused.
done? They're confused, very confused and stuff. Yeah. And then he's trying to pick it up. They go to try to pick it up and try to put it back up into the onto the fence.
Yeah, I remember, yeah.
Yeah. I had to go tell staff.
We rang up the school office, didn't we? We rang up somebody.
I had to, and then I told David. I think David. He was David. I saw David save us.
Yeah.
Yeah, like Archer. Yeah. He was doing a tour or something. Anyway, so even though it's very short filming, we're running out of battery very quickly, even though we started very late today. Started very late because Lee left the camera in the giant's toilet, so we're very late starting filming because we only had very short film at our lunchtime today, so we took an hour footage of filming. So I'm not too sure how many videos I'd get today. I didn't get that many videos today. Would I get that many videos?
Good for you.
I only did about an hour.
Anyway, go on.
So I won't get that much. I'm not saying I could get that many. I'll probably get less than 4 videos today. Huh?
I'd say so. We got 4 lots of times before. We weren't complaining.
No, you say go to study. You should get 4 or 5 videos.
No, 4 is what we got a lot of times, many times.
No, but normally, a normal day, you should get about 6.
4 or 5, yeah. 6 or 5 or 6, yeah. Anyway.
In the early days when it was on MP4, it would be about 6 or 7.
Yeah.
Anyway. Anyway, so it looks like I'm not getting anywhere today, and there's a lot of the mayors and foals the mayors are in it at the more or less nearly gone to the farms. I would like to go down to the Black Cherry Yard today. We've probably got more action down the Black Cherry Yard, I think. Huh?
Yeah.
We might go down there next week, okay?
Maybe next week, we'll see.
There's no much we'll see about it. We get more action down there than we do up here. You get more better interactions. And I might see my friend down there, Persona Grata. Actually, that's what I could have done today. I could have gone down today to see him, to see my friend Persona Grata.
Yeah.
That's what I could have done today. Is go down to see. It's good to go down to see Persona Grata.
Could have, yeah.
I must go down to her next week, okay? So next week I'm going down to see Persona Grata.
Okay,
next Thursday.
Deal.
Before she's gone. While she's still there. That's what I could have done today. It's because it's going down to see Persona Grata.
Yeah.
That's what we should have done in the first place. It's going down to see Persona Grata, other than hang around here. Because there's no action up here, Liam. There's no action up here at all. It's totally dead up here. It's dead. It's totally dead. And no the letters on the back of the field. The only hello I had today was Nando Parado. The only one that said hello to me today was Nando Parado. And a quick hello with Lucy Pimpernel. Apart from that, it was dead. Dead. You know?
Yeah.
I think the best hello I got today was Nando.
Yeah, definitely.
By far the best.
Definitely, yeah.
And I better get hello from him today. I better get hello from him again in the stables. Sorry, folks, about my speech. For some reason, my speech is all over the place today. I usually have good and bad days. Usually my speech would be better than this. But for some reason, my speech is literally all over the place today. I don't know why. I do have good days as well. Usually there's days my speech wouldn't be so bad. But today my speech is all over the place. So sorry about my speech today. It's very bad today. But anyway, I'm going to lunch now, so we'll see you at the stables later on. Thank you.